Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 815116. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Phantom 410 in red. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair Hydro H100i liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7 4790K processor. Beside that, you have 32 GB of G.skill Trident RAM. And for your graphics card, you selected the EVGA Geforce GTX 780 6GB Superclocked ACX Edition. Below your graphics card is your ASUS Zonar Essence STX Virtual 7.1 sound card. And for your motherboard, you selected the ASUS Z97 Deluxe. For wire management, you selected individually sleeved red cables. Powering your system is the Corsair RM1000, and for storage, you selected a Samsung 840 EVO 250GB SSD, along with a secondary Seagate 2TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have your 3D Blu-ray writer. Below that, you have a custom ordered card reader. Now this card reader did have to be set back just a little bit in the case because of the length of the knobs. It did prevent the door from closing all the way. So we did set that back just a little bit. And below that, you have a custom ordered IC dock internal hot swap bay. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have one display port, HDMI, optical out, a mini display port, the jacks for your wireless adapter, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 6 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics card. You have 2 DVI HDMI display. When plugging in your monitor, please do not use the ports with your motherboard. You want to use the ports on your graphics card below, as these have been disabled. And at the very bottom you have the ports for your sound card. Same thing is going to apply. You don't want to use these, but you do want to use these for any sound devices you plug into the computer. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, you'll see your 250GB SSD along with your secondary 2TB hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 7 Professional is your operating system. You have 32GB of RAM, and your processor is the Intel Core i7 4790K. And in Device Manager, your NVIDIA GeForce GTX 780 graphics card, and your ASUS Zonar Essence STX 7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.